How to log in Discord in PC. So here is a quick and easy guide for how to log in Discord on a laptop or PC. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser, Chrome, Edge, Safari, anything. Then in the search address bar, simply type down the Discord and navigate to its official website. Now, once inside the Discord, you can simply see login option available at the top right corner of your screen. Now, all you have to do is tap on the login. Once inside the login, type your email or phone number and enter your password and click login option available there. Or you can simply open the Discord on a mobile app and scan the QR code shown here. Then you'll be logged in very easily. So here I'm trying the scan the QR code option. So once I scanned, you can see my profile is shown here and I'm navigating to my Discord account. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.